Children, wear gloves. Drink water. Water is very important. You need to piss out your fluids. Your kidneys need to be clean. So that your face can stay clear, you need to piss out all the nasty stuff.
He ain't keeping his hands up off my ass cheek. I'm not feeling it, baby. I ass fatter than fat.
And she got good throat.
Sit that cat on my, I can hit it like a Michiro.
Hey, what it is? What's up? It's your girl SageTheHustla here. Today we have a different video featuring my lovely blue comfortable robe, okay? And my free puffy hair, you know, it moves. I'm trying to love my hair, y'all. Today, we're gonna be talking about my secret to clear skin. So, by the grace of God, okay, I'm gonna let y'all know, by the grace of God, it is God only who gave me this clear skin, because when I was a child, I had really bad eczema. My eczema was extremely bad. I'm talking about, my family told me that I had it on my scalp, I had it on my back, I had it like right here on my palms. I've had it, like, even some people who I grew up with, they can vouch for me and they'll say, yeah, like, I had eczema. Like, I used to have eczema right here. I used to just itch everywhere because I had sensitive skin. But my mom started using like different products, and I guess the only product that really worked for me and my skin, and both our skins, because my mom has clear skin too, is Aveeno. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but since I do get a lot of people asking me, like, what do I do? Because right now my eyebrows are done and I put mascara and a little bit of concealer under my eyelids, but ultimately I'm not wearing any type of foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know what I do. It's no secret, actually. All I really do is, first, I'm gonna tell you what I do first. First thing is first, stay your ass healthy, okay? Please be a healthy human being. I'm not gonna say I'm the most, like, I don't want to say healthy, but I'm conscious about like a lot of stuff. Like McDonald's, I don't eat that shit. However, Wendy's, my thing is with fast food, you have to pick the best, worst option. I don't like McDonald's, I don't like Burger King. I can settle for Wendy's, I can settle for Popeyes. I don't eat Zaxby's anymore because I heard of that hepatitis B, and every time I even think of Zaxby's, I just can't eat it. But I'll eat human magoo's. So it's just like, it depends. I love me some Chick-fil-A though. That's on the list. Chick-fil-A bomb. But that's besides the point. The point is, stay healthy, try to stay in shape. I've been dancing for a long time, as far as like little things that I've been doing since high school and up until now, like going on and off. Right now, I'm trying to focus on doing, like, working out at least 2 to 3 times in a week. I personally hate the gym. I hate working out because I feel like it's boring as fuck. But I love group exercises though. I could kill some Zumba, I could kill some hip hop cardio, a twerk class, a hill class, like those type of things I find fun. Like, even though I'm working out, I don't feel it, and I love that shit. But being in a gym is just unmotivational for me. Currently, I take yoga classes at UCF campus. That is good. I didn't know how good yoga was until I recently took it, and it helps a lot. Yoga really helps. And I'm trying to also do some hip hop workout classes and some heel hip hop, not heel hip hop classes, but just some heel dancing classes and some pole dancing classes. So I'm just trying to keep myself busy and in shape. That's important. 2, I drink at least, children, wear gloves. Drink water. Water is very important. You need to piss out your fluids. Your kidneys need to be clean. So that your face can stay clear, you need to piss out all the nasty stuff that you intake. Because the reason why a lot of like pimples and things occur is because let me put it this way. Sometimes pimples happen because people don't drink enough water. And so when you don't drink enough water, your kidneys are not flushing your fluids out the way it needs to. So you know what it does? Your skin breaks out because it's trying to your fluids are trying to get out somehow, and if they gotta get out through your face, they're gonna try to get out through your face. Like, I just don't understand. That's how pimples appear. That's what I think. I could be wrong. I'm not a dermatologist. I don't do skincare. If I'm incorrect, somebody correct me, because that's what I think. That's what I've heard. I could be wrong. But what I do know is that water does help. I drink at least 3 bottles of water a day, sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on the day, but I at least drink at least 3. Like, it's always 3. I always make sure to at least drink 3 bottles. That's important. And what I also use is Aveeno Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub. It has moisture-rich soy extract. That's what I use in the shower in the morning and at night. It is soap-free, hypoallergenic. It's good for sensitive skin, which is good for my skin. Yes, this is what I use to This is what I use to cleanse my skin in the shower when I'm like leaving in the morning and at night. And then I use this to moisturize. I usually moisturize my body with Jergens, but I use the Aveeno Daily Moisturizer just for my face, since I use the cleanser for my face. So I just use this, and that's just it. And I just walk out. Sometimes I do my makeup, sometimes I don't. Everyone likes to ask me, what do I do? What do I do for my skin? And that's literally what I do. I just drink a lot of water. I try to stay healthy, and I use Aveeno. Some people it doesn't work. My next suggestion would be, if Aveeno does not work for your skin, try aloe vera. Aloe vera is a really good plant. It has a lot of rich ingredients in it that will help with your skin. If you have like an aloe vera plant, or if you go to like a market like Bravo or a fancy produce market and buy like the aloe vera plant, I think they sell it per leaf. I think that's what it is. You could cut it, and then there should be like a chunk. It's a chunk, like a slimy chunk of good aloe vera in there that you can like cut the skin off and use. You can use that, and then you could just like create your own face mask and just really set it on your face, apply it. I say leave it there for like 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Aloe vera helps for some people too who have sensitive skin and who want to clear up their skin. But ultimately, if you don't drink water, you need to, because it kills me how people go, how do you have clear skin? And I tell them, okay, well, one, you have to drink a lot of water. And they go, I hate water. Well, bitch, then you just don't like your health, because your kidneys need to be clean. Especially if people like to drink, you need to drink water. You need to drink water, okay? You need to piss so that your kidneys can be clean. Come on, like. To me, I get so excited when I have to pee in a cup, or when I have to pee in a bowl and my pee's clear. In a bowl, I mean, they have some type of solution in there to like mess with the color in a sense, so it's not what you pee out. But if you are dehydrated and you drink a lot of juices and soda, you can tell by how your pee looks. The more yellow your pee is,
or looks closer to apple juice than anything.
The more clearer your pee is, the more, I guess, hydrated you are instead of dehydrated, and your kidneys look good. So that's a plus. But thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. And I'm out because